Will be a demonstration of taking a staff development program form that I've completed and had signed, scanning it, and uploading it into my Google Docs. First, I need to scan it, and I have my scanner software docked right here. I'm going to click on it. And I did have to go under Customize and make my settings 200 dots per inch if I changed it previously. I believe that was the default on my scanner. Now I'm going to scan it. If you make it higher than 200 dots per inch, it does not translate well into Google. While that's going, I'm going to go ahead and open Word. I've got a new document, and I'm going to drag it off to the right side of my screen. As soon as the document finishes scanning, I'm going to find it, and I'm going to drag it into my Word. And here is my list of scanned documents. And here is the current one. So I'm just going to drag it over into Word. And there it is. And I'm looking at the bottom. I can see the signature just fine. So the next thing I'm going to do is save it. And I previously saved it, so I'm saving it again with the same name. I'm going to save. Next, I'll go into my Google Documents, and I'll go to the Upload button and Files, and I'm going to upload that file. Now you do get a question about converting it to Google Docs format. You want to make sure that's a check. It should be the default. I'm going to do the Start Upload. Right, I got an error. The server rejected it. I'm going to retry that. It may be because I did this earlier and it's a little confused. Now it says it's finished. And here it shows up at the top of my list. I'm going to click on it. And there's my document with the signature at the bottom. I'm going to share it, and I'm going to change it from private to anyone with the link. That way, if my mentor or anyone knows exactly where it is, they can see it. I'm going to say save and done. And I'm going to go ahead and close it. It does have the name Ollie Moodle Training Help, which is the name I want. I don't need to rename it. And there it is. Now I did, when I set up my Google Docs, I made a folder which I called SDP Laurie, and the one I just did was a part of my service. So I'm going to go back to my home, and I'm going to drag the new document down into my service. So now it shows up as one of my service documents. So those are the steps you'll need to complete if you had to have your document scanned and then bring it over into Google Docs.